How to remove text from your videos in VNapp. VNapp is basically a photo and video editing website, so it's similar to CapCut and other editing websites. So if you have added some text but you don't know how to remove it, I'm going to show you how to do that exactly. First, open the app. As you can see right now, I have a video right here and I've entered a text. So in order to delete it, it is very simple. You just tap on the text right here. This is the text section right here, the T1. Just select it and choose the text that you entered. And this will open up the text or the duration where the text shows up. And from there, you can just simply tap on delete and your text will be removed. And in order to add it back in, just tap on this add button. Tap on text, and here are different kind of text you can add to the video. So if you just want to add a heading or a subheading, just type here and type in your heading like so. And once you do that, you can edit the duration from here. If you drag it all the way there, it will be shown for 30 seconds. Now you can do it for the entire video. You can change the sizes and even the color of the text like so. And you can play around with all of these options as well. And that's how you can remove text from your video in VNapp. I hope this was helpful and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.